Now let's see about through the questions which one is given in your book. First question is, what is globe? Already I have told you that for globe is a small model of the earth, is it? And next question is, how is a globe useful to us? How is it? It is useful to us to understand the exact position of any one of the place on the earth's surface and how day night is taking place in the earth, that one, to understand that phenomena also. And one more thing is there, how to study about the, if you want to study about the earth, definitely you need the globe, otherwise it is not possible. And how the season is changing with the help of globe, you will understand afterwards. And next question, question number 3, why are latitudes and longitudes drawn on the globe? Why? To find out any position or any location or any place in the globe surface or the earth surface. That is the main reason of the latitudes and the longitudes. Next thing, what is a prime meridian? Prime meridian means 0° longitude is called the prime meridian. I have told you that the middle one, that one was the 0°. So 0° longitude is called the prime meridian. Next, what is the axis of the earth? What is the axis of earth? One imaginary line which one is passing through the center of the earth or the globe. Actually there is no line, but if you will see the globe on that time, you can understand that one is a one imaginary line which one is passing through the center of the globe. And what do you mean by the equator? That one is the 0° latitude. Yes, 0° latitude, the big circle, which one is dividing our globe into two hemispheres. One is northern hemisphere and another one is southern hemisphere. So these all about the bit A. Next, fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. Here few clue kits are given. Using these clue kits you have to fill it. So first one, a dash is a small model of the earth. So all of you are able to understand without seeing the clue kit, that one should be the globe. Next one, the line running parallel to the equator are called latitudes or what? That one should be the parallels. Next thing, that means third one, the lines running from the north pole to the south pole are called what? No need to see the clue kit, that they are the longitudes. Is it? Next one, the earth is dash in shape. What should it be? It should be spherical. Its shape is spherical. Next, the fifth one, the earth is our dash. What is our earth? Do you know? Our home. Yes, earth is our home. Next one, the question number C. Study the given world map. Name the continents and oceans through which the following pass. See here, following pass here. First one they told you that the equator. Equator, if you will see in this portion, equator passes through this portion. All of you see here, this one is the South America, the northern portion of the South America, the south portion of the Africa, and through the Indian Ocean, our equator pass. It passes. Next, Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn, that one is situated 23.5 degree south. That one is passing through this line. See here, these regions. That means the South America, its south portion. The south portion of the South America, the Pacific Ocean. Here the Antarctica also, little part of the South Arctic Ocean also is there, but not that much. Here the southmost point of the Africa is also there, and through the Australia. Next, if you will see this one, that means the Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, from which lands does it pass? See here, North America. It passes through the North America here, and this is also the south part, not the other part. See here, the south part of the North America. Here, this one is the north part of the Africa, and through our India also, and here through the Asia. If you will see, this one is the Asia, and including our India also it passes. And one more thing, prime meridian. Prime meridian, another name of the prime meridian is Greenwich meridian also, Greenwich, because it passes through the Greenwich city. Yes. Where is it located? It is located in London, in United Kingdom, UK. So all of you are able to see our London is here. So the prime meridian should pass through here, this portion. Now the bit D, match the following: axis, longitudes, latitudes, 0 degree latitude. You are able to see that axis, definitely that one is an imaginary line, so both of they should be matched. Next, about the longitudes. How the longitudes with which word it is related? If you will see, it is related with the meridians, because the name of the longitudes are meridians. Next, the latitudes. You know that all the latitudes are parallels to each other, so that one is related with the parallels. Next, the 0 degree latitude. 0 degree latitude, that one is nothing but our equator. So this one also is over. Now I will say you about the project work. So create your own earth model. That means, what is this one? Create your own earth model. Definitely that one is the nothing but globe. So how it is possible to make a globe? How is it? Imagine. Okay. No need to think. I am telling you which materials you want. That one first I am saying. The painter's smoke, the newspaper shades, the tape, globe. One globe must you need, otherwise it is not possible to draw. How do you know where the each and every lands are located? Exact, it is not possible. That's why you need one. You need the help from one globe. So that's why globe is also required. Next, large styrofoam ball. Next, the blue tempera paint, green tempera paint, black tempera paint, or you can use the black marker also, and the paint brush. Now the tempera paint, what are they? Actually they are the permanent fast drying paints. They are the permanent, so if you will draw once, it won't be rubbed. So these are the materials you need first. Afterwards, what you have to do, where you will do the model, definitely it should have any table, so the table should be covered by the newspaper. Otherwise, which colors you will use, that may fall on the table, and because of that color it may spoil. So first you have to cover, you have to wrap with the help of newspaper, and the edge also, the newspaper's edge. You can simply stick any kind of sellotape or any other kind of tape, or you can use the gum, your wish. Next, what you have to do, put your styrofoam ball in the center of the newspaper. That means just like that, this one is newspaper, you have to put your ball here, which ball you took. Next, what you have to do, place your globe somewhere nearby so that you can look at it for guidance whenever you need to. I have told you that you need the globe because of the guidance, because you don't know where it is exactly situated, and with the help of newspaper you have to wrap the ball also. Then after wrapping it, you have to locate. Yes, the different location, just like the 7 continents. Which are the continents? The Asia, the Africa, the South America, the North America, our Antarctica, our Australia and the Europe. These all the continents you have to locate first. Next, you have to locate the major oceans also. You know that how many oceans we have? The major oceans here they have given that the major oceans just like Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and the Indian Ocean. These 4 oceans they talk about. So it's okay, you can do. Next, what you have to do? You have to paint them. The rest of the thing, that means what the waters are there. First you have to this green, with the help of green tempera, the continents you should paint. You have to paint with the help of green color because they are the land, that's why. So after painting the landmarks, you have to paint the rest of the portion with the help of the blue color, because you know that the water color, that means the ocean's color is very familiar to us. That one is which color? That one is the blue color. If you don't know also, I am telling you that one should be always blue in color. Okay. So these are the color. Next, what you have to do? You have to keep it for getting it dry. Otherwise, it is not possible. In the next day, you have to see it again. After that means one day, you can label the different names also using black marker. Also you can use, I think black marker will be easy for you because its nib is very thin in size. Otherwise with the help of paint, that means brush, it is little bit difficult, but if you were able to do, you can do any one of the thing. You can use the painting brushes or you can use with the help of marker also. Black marker, you should write the different names, that means different locations name. That's it. And you have to draw it again, and after one day you will get the globe. Yes, your globe is ready now. So in this way you may play with the globe, you may learn about the globe. So one more thing, you have to go through the lesson and be prepared for our online exam. And which homework I have given you got, which questions I discussed with you, you should complete this all and you should prepare one globe, model of the globe. Thank you all of you.